YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Waveman Mike, and we're back for another video. Alright, I'm gonna be completely clear. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I haven't been consistent with using the Minoxidil. I haven't used the Minoxidil consistently for about 2 weeks now. The reason that I haven't is because I'm back at school right now, and you know, like, time is just, Minoxidil requires a lot of time. You have to put it on, and then you have to let it dry for a couple of hours, which means I would have to wake up exceptionally early, way before my classes, in order to put it on and let it dry before I go to my classes. However, I think I'm just gonna do it, you know. I'm just gonna wake up early, put on my face, go to sleep, like with it on, wake up, wash it off, hop in the shower, and then go to class. But what you're really here for is the update, because I have a lot of new facial hair growth since the last time I made a video. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that right now. So if you look at my cheeks, you can see like the hair is actually coming in. Like, look at this. This wasn't here before. If you go back and watch my other Minoxidil videos, you can see this. None of this was here. None of this was here. This is a lot fuller. This is a lot fuller. Everything's just, it's just much better. So this stuff really works. Besides Minoxidil, I've also been putting on Jamaican castor oil. I don't know if that's helping too with the hair growth, but I do know it helps with the dry skin. So after I wash off the Minoxidil, I immediately put the Jamaican castor oil on my face, just so, you know, my face can be moisturized, and then maybe that is helping the hair grow too. But yeah, this is what the hair looks like on my cheeks. You can see it. My mustache, my chin hair. So yeah, that's pretty much the update. I'm not gonna put a week inside the title because I don't really know what week I could put, because I haven't been consistent with using it. So it's not fair to put a week in there. So I'm just gonna put Minoxidil update, and then I'll probably start again using it tomorrow, and you know, I'll probably make an update next week again. So thanks for dropping by and watching this update. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop those down below. I'm Waveman Mike. Enjoy your day.